Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where and the time you are watching this video from. This is the author of Daniel's Medical Fact and Tips platform, a platform where we've been discussing so many things pertaining to health. Now, on our previous lecture, on our previous class, we discussed so many things about concerning diabetes, people that are vulnerable and its definition, what it means, and the types. So today we are going to finalize everything, and that takes us to the prevention and or effective ways to help prevent these diabetes that we've been discussing. Now, how can we prevent this diabetes? What and what are those things we are to do in order to do away from having this kind of illness? So that's what we are going to discuss. Don't school, just calm down and listen to it very well. It will help you. It will go a long way to help so many people. Mm. Thank you. Now, how to prevent this a, a lifelong disease condition called diabetes? One is to maintain a healthy body weight. Like exercise yourself regularly, it helps to burn bad fats. So maintaining a healthy body weight will help to prevent this lifelong disease. Now, some other thing is eat a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. Then limit yourself from sugar intake. Remember that this diabetes is a disease that is caused or it is an increase in the blood sugar level. So you limit yourself in much intake of sugary substances like sweets and refined carbohydrates. Then choose unhealthy fats such as those from fish, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. It will really help you to prevent this lifelong disease and avoid sugar. Now, as a diabetic patient, there is this thing you need to know that there are some fruits you need to abstain yourself from. Likes of watermelon, all these sugary foods, pineapple, you need to do away from it. Irrespective of the fact that maybe you are a type that do enjoy this fruit, but because of your health, you need to do away from all those things. Then avoid smoking. You are the type of person that used to smoke, avoid smoking. To also help you to prevent it and limit alcoholic consumption. If you have been taking alcohol often, you need to limit yourself from this. Then drink enough water and stay hydrated. Drink enough water and stay hydrated will help you. Then have a regular medical checkup in the hospital so that if your sugar is high, probably they can detect it in time and also give the remedies on how to control it. Then monitor your blood sugar, very important. You need to monitor your blood sugar because when you monitor this your blood sugar regularly, it will save the complications that may come in future if you are diabetic. Then take prescribed medications if it is a stubborn diabetes or a stubborn, yes, we call it hyperglycemia. If it is a stubborn one, you need to take the prescribed medications. There are hypoglycemic drugs, that's those medications that lowers blood sugar that you will take that will help you to normalize the blood sugar. But remember that this disease condition we are talking about is a lifelong, that means it's a life threatening. It will take some time, it cannot go like that. Despite the fact that you may taste it and then they say it has reduced to normal, but that doesn't give you a full assurance that you should go back to what you've been eating, those sugary things that can trigger it. So just do away from all these things. I assure you that if you modify your diet, more especially your diet, if you modify it, definitely you are going to live long. You are going to live long. So with this, I think it will go a long way to help prevent this diabetes. Yes, it will go a long way to help prevent this diabetes. So always subscribe to my YouTube channel and on TikTok. You connect with Daniel's Medical Facts and Tips for further health related lectures. Thank you very much. Thank you.